Yo, what's up guys? CJ right here. How y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. So basically I'm gonna be showing you guys this device, which is the, as you can see right here, Tiger uninterruptible power supply. Basically just like a power bank, but it's specifically for mainly utilized for routers like your Spectra nights, your internet cables, and all that kind of stuff. As you can see, there's nothing really much in the container. Got the charger. It's a 9V port, and also as you can see, that is what you're gonna be utilizing. And this is the charger that you use to charge the device. Let's call it a power bank. The uninterruptible power supply power bank for router. This is the port in which you use. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch through, see some few things, how everything is, how it looks like, how the device looks like. The device actually worked perfectly well because I'm already using it. I already test run it before I added the video. As you can see, this is just how it looks like exactly. We have the 24 volts, the 15 volts, and you can switch it from the back. The device is a very good device. I've used it and it's worked perfectly well for me. As you can see, that's the switch where you increase the volts, either 25, 24 or 15 volts depending on your router. But basically routers don't take a lot of currents like that. So basically here is my own crazy ass nice looking portable router, as you can see. So we're just gonna test run it. I'm gonna plug in the cable and we're gonna see how it works. Kindly subscribe and smash the like button as well. As you can see, it's on 24 volts, so I'm gonna switch it to 15 volts. You could decide to switch it whichever of the two. I actually try using the 15 and the 14 and my router still powered on, so your choice. And as you can see behind, it has the 5 volt plug-in, 9 volt plug-in, and 12 volt plug-in. So I put it in the 5 volt plug-in to see if it's gonna work. As you can see, it's turned on. We're trying the other one, which is the 9 volt as well, and as you can see, it's turned on as well. Then trying it as well in the last one, which is the 12 volt, it also powered on successfully. So you can decide to plug it in whichever one you want, the 5 volt, 9 volt, or the 12 volt, and then you plug that to the output so it can charge. I don't know how long you want it, but it's advisable you charge it for like maybe 3 hours before using it, or just 1 hour before using it. And plug your router as well. One benefit of this device is that it can be plugged into the power supply, and you can also use your router as well. So I decided to try out this USB to router port mount to see if it's gonna work properly. And as you can see, the USB turned on the lights, plugged it in, and it worked as well. So you can decide to use a USB port to charge the router, or you could decide to use the the cabled ports as well. Make sure you guys subscribe. I hope you guys like this video. Smash the subscribe button and tell me what you feel about this device. You can also purchase it and utilize it as well.